Hey, what's cracking, people? So check it out. Good times, but I'm getting ready for the factory tour event that is like in the next couple of days. Hopefully you see this June 20th. I would assume this video will be out before then, but if not, maybe this is a video of the factory tour event. I'm pretty hyped about it. But first of all, I just want to wash his bikes. I got the 2022 Scout Rogue here that is carbon fibered out and painted by BC Customs. Got the toast pipe, we got the good stuff. It's coming out. Oh, woo. I'm gonna wash it. We'll put it in the sun. Let's check it out. Slow motion.
You keep saying you love me, might be that's just the case. Then I look around, of you there's not a trace. Ain't enough for me, spend my time in care. You're just gonna love me, I'm way back over there. So step it up, step it up, step it up, baby, I'll be gone. You keep saying you want me, well push us from the baby. It's way past time and overdue to show what you're made of. It's nowhere near enough, I won't hold my breath. But if you come through for me, I'm yours in life and death. So step it up, step it up.
I normally don't clean already clean bikes, but this one's been kind of sitting a little bit, and it is gonna be ridden. Not sure if I'm gonna ride it or if my boy Matt's gonna ride it, but it's gonna be ridden to the factory event if this video hasn't popped off by then. Again, June 20th, 9 a.m., Spirit Lake, Iowa. My goal is to have this video dropping at least by Thursday evening when everybody's coming to town. Then I'll have a new video of the event itself. So if you can make it, June 20th, 9 a.m., Spirit Lake, Iowa, in the Indian Motorcycle Factory. We're gonna be there, and we're gonna all hang out. We got some food provided by TNA, and yeah, it's just a lot of people. I think a lot of people are gonna show. Hopefully we're gonna raise some money for Folds of Honor like I've been doing since last year, and I'm freaking psyched. I'm hyped about it, and yeah, I might even ride this. Honestly, it's 3 hours. We all know Scouts are not 100% the most comfortable thing in the world to ride, and this one is a little better because I do have like the Indian upgraded shocks on here. This seat by Saddleman, it is not broken in yet, and said before this one does need to be broken. I'm trying to think how many miles I have on that. I can't think of it right now off the top of my head. Probably 400, 500, I don't know, something like that. But anyway, all right, now that about this one, I just got to dry it off, do the thing, and then we got that dirty thing right there. Woo-wee. And then also, you see this? So Indian Motorcycle, I didn't know, but they sell a thing like a billet aluminum thing. I don't know. Anyway, it looks kind of cool, so I'm gonna put that on there too. This bike though. All right, let's clean it up, put it in the sun so you guys can check it out just a little bit more. All right, guys, this is just a test. See how it works. So anyway, look at the bike. Ooh, looking good, baby. Oh my gosh. She's pretty much cleaned up, but now I just rode in the freaking bugs and the night and all that. But anyway, I'm pretty hyped. This video was me washing it, and then I'm clean. Now I'm going to work, and I'm just hyped to ride this ride coming up, which probably I'll be switching to now, maybe. If not, hopefully I'm doing something else, showing you something else. Hopefully it's Thursday, you're watching this. I dropped it Thursday. If not, then maybe I'll cut all this out. But anyway, I'm actually really just testing the new camera at night, so I know what I'm dealing with. So anyway, oh man, it feels good to ride, and it feels good that summer's here. I'm pretty freaking stoked that everybody's coming out to do a meetup and hang out and do the factory tour and just do motorcycle stuff with my motorcycle friends. So anyway, let's go. Or actually, yeah, let's click to the next day. I got to be finding some of my friends. We got to start doing something. Talk about this ride. Let's do it.
Recording.
All right, this is a test. Ah, shit, this is a test. Testing. Hey, everything's getting ready. We got the bike all cleaned up. That one was clean, then I rode to work. Yeah, guys, I hope to see everybody tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. in Spirit Lake, Iowa. God, this bike is looking good. If you haven't seen the BC Custom with TNA carbon fiber, ooh, Indian Scout Rogue, there it is. The second pipe ever, the Toast Performance pipe on this bad boy. This baby is going to be down there. I did add this. I just added this little touch right here. Literally like yesterday. So, yeah. Oh, man, I'm hyped. As you see, we got Spicy. Spicy will be down there too, trying to set up some camera stuff. I'm looking to vlog this trip. I have an idea, everybody. Listen. On your way at the gas stops, take some pictures of your bike or selfies with the people you're riding in with, maybe at the gas stations, whatever. And then like let's tag like IMC factory tour, fish tour, I don't know, something like that. Tag me in it. I'm gonna happily share it. Let's promote not just the event, because there's so many people that are, it's too late. They're not coming. If they're not planned by now, they're not coming. But let's show them what they missed. Let's just show them that next time we host an event as a community, we are going to have a good time, and they should try to come. God, I just can't get over this freaking bike. It's so good. Oh, man. But yeah, so like let's hashtag, let's see. Tag me in it. I'm going to reshare it. And then tag Indian Motorcycle, because that's what we do, I guess. Yeah, and then like maybe hashtag IMC factory tour or fish tour. I don't know. You guys leave a comment what we should start tagging. Let's get crazy. Hashtag all of it. I don't care. Oh, but yeah, tag Indian Motorcycle, tag me. You know, I'm happily share it. So if you do content and you have an Instagram, you like to do that stuff, let's do it. Let's make it fun. Let's show everybody that we coming. Spirit Lake, get ready. We are coming. Yeah. Anyway. If you haven't seen this freaking bike, it turned out so good. BC Customs, custom painted. So this is carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber. This is not. It's just a gas tank, but that's carbon fiber. The Toast exhaust. This is carbon fiber. This is painted. These, look at these. Those are painted. That's painted. This is carbon fiber. Oh man, this bike turned out so freaking good. That's the adaptive headlight by Indian Motorcycle. We do have a 2-inch lift, as you can tell. We switched the blinkers front and rear, make it a little lower profile. Oh, it doesn't have a license plate. Fuck it, full send. Full send, baby. Ooh, maybe I should just put the license plate in my other bike. Full send. All right, guys. I hope to see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Spirit Lake, Iowa. In the Facebook event group, there was a couple rides posted that were like hour and a half rides. So when you're done with the event, you got some time to kill. You guys can go do that. I think maybe I'll try to find, I'm feeding everybody. If you didn't know, food will be arriving around 10:30, 11. A bunch of pizza. You guys are probably sick of looking at that, so we're gonna switch over here. Oh, this baby, she got 30,000 miles. I need to clean her up better. I will clean her up better. I will. I'm going to put this here so I don't forget. Oh, I got my Gator Mike Quick Detailer. Just going to put it there so I don't forget. Clean fish. Anyway, food's coming. And then in the evening at the Travel Lodge in Spirit Lake, Iowa, we have the band Leaving Hope playing. I don't know. I told them I wanted an acoustic set. I think the whole band's coming. I don't know what they're going to do. Who cares? I think we decided 6. 6:30 to 8:30, and they're gonna take breaks. I don't know what they're gonna do. We're just full send it, have a good time. So, all right, guys. Yeah, ride hard, ride fast. Ask somebody you don't know. Tag me, deuces.